Hello, it's me again. So welcome back to another vlog. This time we are staying in Rafa Beach Villas and Resorts in Morong, Bataan. Yan. So there's the beach. Dito tayo sa beach. It's Friday. We will be staying here from Friday to Sunday. Uwi na kami na Sunday. So we found this resort in Bataan, Rafa Beach Villas and Resort. So I'm with the family, of course. Tapos kasama namin yung kapitbahay namin, sila Elaine. Kasi schoolmate din nila ni Anika, yung mga anak nila. So since it's April, it's summer, kailangan mag-beach, pero we wanted something near, yung madali puntahan, hindi plain, kotse lang. So we decided to look for a resort in Bataan. Yan. So this is Morong, Bataan. Underrated beach sa Pilipinas, Zambales, no? And actually dito sa Bataan, Morong, marami ng mga beach resorts. Ayun, no? Kung nakikita nyo, left and right, nagtatayuan yung mga resort. Tapos mga mura lang. So it's our second time here in Bataan to rent out a beach place. Last time, doon kami sa, parang we rent a house na medyo tapat ng beach, but this time resort. Yan. So the kids are already playing sa sand. And check natin, no? So here's the sand. Hindi naman siya white sand, but it's brown. Pero fine naman siya. Alright? Yan. So puntahan natin yung kids. Ayan, sila Ethan, Elaine, family nila, kapitbahay namin, mga couple of houses away from our house in Libis. Ayan. So Ethan is already playing with the sand. Emilia is playing with the sand also. Ayan. Elaine. Ayos ba? Oh, inom-inom lang. Si Mrs. andun with Anika, nag-swimming na. As you can see, wala masyadong tao. That's why it's nice. Pa-sunset na. It's 5 PM I think. So palubog na yung araw. Kaya I decided to shoot already para maganda yung lighting natin, oh. So look at the beach. Untouched. Diba? Walang tao, hindi magulo. Tapos yung tubig, sakto lang yung lamig. Very fine, walang mga bato. I don't know if you can see. Yan, very clear naman siya. You can see my feet. Walang bato. Maganda dito walang bato. So kahit wala ka shoes, pwede ka magpaa. Tapos sakto lang yung lamig niya. Hindi mainit, hindi ganun kalamig. So Anika is enjoying her time with wifey. Yan. Hindi natulog sa sasakyan yan kasi excited nga mag-swimming. No? Alright. So later, I'll show you the house. Yung villa na nirent namin para makita nyo. So again, this is Bataan, Morong. Ito yung na-offer nilang beach. Very nice and exclusive. Ayun, no? Dami ng resort ko, no? Yan. Alright. Our resort is over here. Okay. Alright. So, this is Rafa Beach and Villas in Bataan. Yan yung villas nila. I think they only have 2. This is the bigger one. Mas mahal yan. Parang ang renta ata dito is around 45,000. Pero mas maraming packs kasha. So, it's double the size of this one. This is the one that we rented. Good for 10 packs ata. Kami, we are 7 adults plus 3 kids. Itong kinuha namin, si Casa Victoria. So it looks like this. Very nice from the outside. Yan, di ba? Very refreshing. Tsaka maganda yung garden nila. With ample parking space outside. Ang downside lang dito, yung papasok sa resort nila, medyo masikip yung daan. No? So, here's the villa. Ito ang presyo nito is about 25,000 per night. So hati naman kami ng family nila Elaine. No? So this is how it looks like. Yan. High ceiling. Ganda naman ng mga furnitures. Cadillac, Macy's. Tapos yung mga gamit daw, galing IKEA. Halos lang. Pero maganda naman. Sorry, medyo madumi na. But just to give you a feel of what it looks like inside. Yan. Malamig yung aircon. So dito kami pag umaga kasi mainit. Tapos high ceiling siya. Yan. Maganda high ceiling. Nakaka-relax. Very refreshing. Yan. Tapos dito kayo kakain. Tapos may CR doon. One CR din. Tapos may microwave, toaster. Yan. So ito naman. Yan. This is the pool. You have a mini pool. A private pool on your own. Tapos yan yung ref, pwede kang magluto dito. This is room number 1. Ito yung room nila Elaine. Ayan, malinis. Buti malinis. So yan ang itsura ng room. Bago aircon. Again, high ceiling. Maganda furnitures with the wood designs. So, yan. Maganda naman yung room nila. Actually, very comfortable. Kasi ito, pwede mong hilain yan. There's another bed sa baba. No? Siyempre, ito, sa binabayaran mo is the pool. May mini pool, malalim sa dulo, tapos ito for the kids. Yan. The only downside that I don't like is yung kabilang bahay. Medyo dikit na dikit from you. Tapos, walang divider. So, nagkikitaan kayong dalawa, no? Ngayon, okay. Ito, kita mo sila. So, would have been nice kung may harang siya. Para at least may privacy kayo. Kasi nga, hindi nyo naman kilala yung kabilang guest. So, yun lang. But the pool is nice. Yan. Pwede sa kids, sa adult doon. Then, this is our room. Room number 2. This is Ethan. Ayan. Ganun din itsura. Tapos may bed dito. Ayan, dito ako natulog. So, ito yung CR. Pakita ko. Maganda yung CR din. Ayan, malaki. Very spacious. Malinis. Bago lahat. No? So, very important sa akin ang CR. Malinis. Ayan. So, basically, that's the villa. Ganda ng villa nila. Again, the kids are enjoying their time here. Oh, swimming lang. Happy na yung mga yan. You can cook there. Kain kayo dyan. Swim. Alright? Right. Pakita ko sa inyo yung garden. So, may reception area. Ayan, the parking space. There's my car. Gusto ko yung landscaping. Yung the palm trees. Tapos may mga ibon pa, oh. I don't know if you can see. Ayun. There's a brown bird. Tapos may mga nest pa nga sila, eh. Yan, diba? If you can see the bird yun, lumipad. Anyway, yun, daming ibon actually. Ayun, oh. Puro ibon din, oh. Oh, kasi may mga nest sila. Okay. Ganda, no? So, ayan, as you can see the garden. Ganda ng landscaping nila. So, paghapon, pwede kayo tumambay dyan. Yan yung gilid ng house. Again, I'm loving the palm trees. Bagay dun sa design ng house. Very zen, no? Zen yung feeling niya. Yan. Tapos dito, pwede kayo kumain dito. Yan. There's a table here. Then, may lutuan. So, pwede kayo mag-grill. You can do the grilling here. Oh, maganda naman. May isa pang grill doon. Right? Tapos meron silang banana boat. Ewan ko lang kung magkano. Later I'll ask. Tapos may mga gazebo. Oh, pwede kayo tumambay dyan. So, maluwag. Sobrang laki actually. Ano, malaki siya. Tapos bonfire mamayang gabi. Magbo-bonfire kami dito. Ayan. So there's another kubo. Pwede ka tumambay. Tapos ayun na. Yan na yung beach nila. So paghapon, masarap na uminom-inom dyan. No? Alright. So yun lang. Pinakita ko na sa inyo yung place para makita nyo yung beauty ng Rough House. Ganda ng pagkakagawa actually. Yung ayoko lang nga is yung dalawang villas masyadong dikit to each other. So medyo nawawalan ka ng privacy. Lalo na pag may nag-rent sa kabila na hindi mo naman kakilala, no? So it would have been nice kung medyo malayo siya ng konti from each other para lang may privacy kayo. No? That's it. So see you later. Pag yung mga gagawin namin, kain-kain lang, share ko na rin yan. Alright? At nag-iihaw na ata sila Yaya. Tingnan natin. Taas ng araw. Pero ayos lang yan. Summer. Last summer, dapat nag-out of town kayo. Lalo na kung may bata. So the garden is very nice. Lawak again. So ayun. So dito kami kakain mamaya. Dun sa kabila pala. Mas malilim ata dun. So I'm loving the pantries. So gusto ko yung tanim na to.
Tapos we can bonfire here pa na.
Yan nga, bonfire pit. Mamayang gabi. So ayan. Ihaw-ihaw. Lempo, chicken. Tapos pwede rin pala kayo bumili ng seafood. Nagbebenta sila sa gabi kasi maraming fisherman. They sail out na gabi sa umaga. Pwede kayo bumili sa kanila. 6 a.m. So after ito, we're gonna have the lunch here. Dito. So siksika na lang. So yun, alright. Tanghaling tapat. And the kids are playing in the sand. Grabe init. Ayun sila. Sa gitna ng araw. Napakainit ng buhangin. Na? So yan, ang trip-trip nila. Laro-laro sa sand. Oh, play-play. Yan, simple-simple. So walang katao-tao. It's just us. So we're about to have lunch. Kakaluto lang. So lunch kami din. Tambay lang ako dito sa kubo dahil sobra init. Diyan sila. So ayun, no. It's very important na nilalabas yung mga anak nyo, family nyo, lalo na when they're young, to establish yung relationship nyo with them. Especially pag malaki na yan, most likely hindi na sasama yan, may sariling isip na, may barkada na. So kami ni Mrs. kaya sinusulit namin habang maliit, habang sumasama sa inyo, gumagawa kami ng trips as much as possible every year. Yan, summer, tapos pagka December, we try to go out of the country once a year. Yan, simple lang naman. Kami ni Mrs. mostly domestic travel lang, mostly driving lang, out of town lang. Yan, di ba? Kasi pressure moments yan, yung time with your family, especially when they're young, no? So that's how you instill values also, yung belief to ng asawa nyo. So habang bata, ituro mo na sa kanila. So paano is through this, no? Labas nyo lang, enjoyin nyo sila, no? That's why kami ni Mrs. laging may travel kami. We make sure na kasama sa scheduling namin yun. And when you do travel, lalo na out of town, make sure medyo ahead of time para unang-una sa rates, mas mura. Kung mas advance kayo nagbubook, mas mura nyo makukuha yun. Hindi agawan. Less stress, no? Kesa yung biglaan, mabilis, mas mahal na yun. Tsaka mas mahirap na maghanap. So alright, share ko mamaya sa inyo yung kakainin namin sa lunch. Yun, actually simple lang lunch namin. Yan yung isdag na bilhin nila kanina umaga sa mga bagong huli. Fresh na fresh yan. So bagong huli yan yata nung gabi o madaling araw. Tapos yung mga mangingisda nagbebenta dyan sa tapat. So, very Filipino. Sugpo, lempo, chicken barbecue. Yan. Ganyan lang. Simple. Alright, so nighttime, kakatapos lang ng bonfire namin. Wala na, sorry. I forgot to record. But it's already 8 o'clock. And we just had our bonfire here. So, some malos and hot dogs. Yun. So, basically, that's our trip in Bataan. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I just want to share with you our trip. Kung gusto nyo ng biglaang trip, yung hindi masyadong planado, medyo biglaan, short trip lang. Again, 3 hours away from the Metro Manila. Bataan is a very good place to go to. Maganda yung beach. Wala masyadong tao. Malinis. And maraming beach resorts na magpipilian, no? So again, this is Rafa Beach and Resort. I love the place, very exclusive. And you get the whole place to yourselves. And napakadaling puntahan, no? So, thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed the video.